A stacked deck provides unlimited potential to create effects that seem absolutely impossible. So really mastering how to use a stacked deck will open up a whole world of possibilities. What up, crew? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Si Stebbins Stack. So, let's do it. The definition, taken directly from Wikipedia by the way, a source I could never quote in school, the Si Stebbins Stack is a cyclic mathematical card stack. It was of course popularized by the magician Si Stebbins and can be constructed from a normal deck of 52 cards. Its properties allows the position and value of each card to be determined. Now that you have some background on the Si Stebbins stack, let's talk a little bit more in detail. So the stack follows the chased order, which is clubs, hearts, spades, and diamonds. And each card has a value of 3 more than the preceding card. Of course, the ace has a value of 1, and the jack, queen, king have values of 11, 12, 13, respectively. All pretty standard stuff. So now if we take a look at an example, let's say we take a card off the top and it's the 4 of clubs. We immediately should know the next suit following the chased order will be the heart, and +3 will give you the 7. So the next card will be the 7 of hearts, and of course followed by 10 of spades, followed by the king of diamonds. We can also work our way backwards. So knowing that the top card is the 4 of clubs, we know that the bottom card must be 3 less and a diamond, since this is a cyclic stack. So it would be the ace of diamonds. Of course, one thing that's great about the cyclic stack is that the deck can be cut without corrupting the stack, which makes it perfect for allowing the spectators to cut the deck as many times as they like. Now that I've talked so much about this, let me show you how easily we can create this stack. So here I have 4 piles. I have split it up into clubs, hearts, spades, and diamonds, again following that chased order. And each of these piles is from ace on the bottom to king all the way up top. So once you have these cards organized like this, you want to take the top couple of cards until you reach that 4 of clubs, put the rest of these on the bottom. For the next one, you're going to go 3 higher than 4, so you're going to go to the 7, put the rest on bottom. 3 higher, we're going to get to the 10, put the rest on bottom. Okay, so now this is a sequence in that cyclic stack. So we're going to take 1 card of each and create a separate pile. So we have 1 card from the clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds, and we're just going to continue going through this with the entire deck. And that's it. You have your stack all ready to go. Just some advantages of this stack. I know I mentioned a few earlier. One, it looks very deceptive to the layman. There's no way anyone can figure out that this deck has been arranged. The deck, of course, can also be cut due to the cyclic order, and it doesn't really require any type of memorization for the order. So each card can be derived from the last card or the next card. And that's where I would say is also the only disadvantage for some people, because you have to be good at adding and subtracting 3, and of course fairly quickly. I know, a lot of math there. But seriously, sometimes when you're performing, it's even hard to do math in your head, and I completely understand. It has happened to me before, but it's definitely worth learning this stack and learning how to add and subtract 3 really quickly. There's just so many possibilities using card stacks, it's unreal. You can do so much more than just tell me when to stop. Oh, right here, the next card is 3 of hearts, right? Although that is pretty impressive, but there's so much more that you can do with these card stacks. If you want to learn a really cool trick you can do using the card stack, make sure to check out this video right here. Trust me, you will drive people insane with it. Alright guys, so I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.